Hi everyone, this is Ian from Absen. Welcome to Infocomm China. Today I'm going to give you a brief tour at Absen booth. But first of all, let's get to know what Infocomm is. Infocomm is one of the biggest events for AV industries in Asia Pacific. We present our products and devices here in an area of 68,000 square meters to more than 30,000 visitors. Absen is here today with some revolutionary ideas and technologies such as micro-LED, our control room solution, as well as our virtual filming experience center. So let's have the party started. First of all, let's take a look at this micro-LED screen. But there is one question, why micro-LED is needed and why every customer is asking for micro-LED solution from manufacturers. Now there are some certain reasons. First of all, it's very simple. We need smaller pixel pitch. With traditional SMD solutions, it is very difficult to make smaller pixel pitch, especially under 1 millimeters. And secondly, we need our LED screens to be better protected. With micro-LED COB solution, we can make way more robust screens. And thirdly, probably the most importantly, is that we need our smaller pixel pitch screens to be affordable. Absen has dedicated ourselves into investing and researching for micro-LED screens since the year of 2016. And today, we are very happy and proud to show the world our clear Cobalt series. The panels are in 27.5 inches dimension, and we have 3 pixel pitch options, 0.7, 0.9, and 1.2 millimeters. Now there are some highlights of this screen we would like to present to you today is that, first of all, black performance. As we can see here, the black performance of our screen is exceptional, and that was realized by our polymer material coating technology. And secondly, brightness. With traditional SMD solutions, the brightness for indoor screens are limited in 600 to 800 nits. But with micro-LED in Absen, the brightness can be up to 1,200. And that is for all 3 pixel pitches. And the third one is power efficient. We reduce the power consumption of our micro-LED screens by 2 ways. We give different voltage of power to different colors of lamps. And we use flip chip technology. Flip chip is applied to our micro-LED screen. That means we can lose the metal wires that connect the chips to the PCB board. Now, if you have any other questions or concerns about our micro-LED technology, you are very welcome to contact your Absen teams. And the second solution that we would like to introduce you here, is our smart control room solution. A control room solution is mainly for the energy network management. And it is a solution that combines the giant LED screen and decoders, controllers, as well as the controlling softwares. We use our HC IMD 4-in-1 series this time to make the giant screen here. And the panels are in 27 inches dimension, and the pixel pitch is 0.9 millimeters. Now for control room systems, sometimes, for most of the times, the screens can be really big. So it is important for the panels to be thin and light. In our HC 0.9 panels, they are just 5.2 kilograms per each. And they are fully front serviceable. But most importantly, for safety concern, it is optional to have dual power supply and dual receiving card for our HC series. Now, if you're interested into getting to know more about our control room system, please visit the website and contact our amazing Absen teams. Okay, so the next one is really the start of today. If we go back to the stage, we will have a virtual filming experience center which has thousands of visitors today. Okay, finally, our last solution of today, the virtual filming experience center. We are having a guest from Versatile Media, John, here to give us the introduction of this solution. We have our VP 1.8 series as the giant screen, but how do they make this a whole solution? Hi, John, nice to see you.
Hi, Ian.
I'm going to hand it over to you.
Okay, thank you, Ian. So today we're going to talk a little bit about how the future of filmmaking has a lot to do with LEDs. My name is Joan. I work for a film studio called Versatile Media. We are 28 years old and based in Hangzhou, Vancouver, and Beijing. And about 4 years ago, we figured out that virtual production was going to be the future of film and television. So we started working with our own R&D team to come up with the technical solutions to make virtual production possible. So I can kind of not so humbly and confidently tell you that nowadays we have the most advanced technical solutions for virtual production in all of the film industry. So taking a step back, what exactly is virtual production? Virtual production is a new concept for filmmaking. In the past 100 years or so, all filmmaking has pretty much been either live, so you're constrained by the weather, by the seasons, by what is basically there in reality, and it's very logistically complicated, or filmmaking is done in front of a green screen where you can't see what you're filming in real time, and everything is very expensive and inefficiently done in post-production where you finally get to see what you're making. So virtual production takes all of that with modern technology and makes it so that you film in an immersive experience virtually. So if we take a look here, this is what a virtual production studio in miniature looks like. Here we have a demo screen. How it's done in our studio, like for example in Hangzhou, where we have a Versatile Volume Plus #1, which is one of our LED sound stages. That stage is 24 meters in diameter, 6 meters high, and 270 degrees circular, creating a space of 2,500 square meters where you can build sets combining reality with a virtual environment to film. That gives you unprecedented freedom of movement and creative control, where you don't have to be limited by anything in reality. You can do whatever you want. Technically, we found the solution so that there are no more patterns. We have 200 million pixels driven by a point-by-point driven solution. That is where really the technical miracle of virtual production lies, where our solutions combined with these LED screens make it so that all you need to do is to be creative and tell a good story. So we hope that you'll work with us at Versatile for all of your filmmaking technical solutions. Thank you.